Do you get scared when you think about the future?
I mean, yeah, sometimes.
Why?
I don't know. I feel like just not knowing what lies ahead, kind of the unpredictable nature of the future, kind of gets in my head sometimes, scares me.
Do you think that the uncertainty of the future is a good thing?
I mean, I think I kind of like the mystery of it. It definitely adds like a new layer to my life, who I am. And without that, I feel like everyone's journeys would kind of be the same. I don't know. That would be kind of underwhelming, no?
Hey, you two. Welcome to New Brunswick. I'm Matthew Ascension. Come in, come in.
Guys, it's 1:49
We're late.
and our train is at 2:11.
Today, we're going to New York, meeting up with another one of my family friends, Caitlin. Basically, we're going to be going to a rooftop bar.
Oh my god, you're right.
Winging it from there. So I'll see you on the train. Cheers.
Hi. Can we do 2 more spicy marks, 1 classic mark, and then we'll do 6 chicken tacos and 1 mushroom.
I'm here with my 2 friends that I've grown up with basically my whole life, EJ and Caitlin. And yeah, we just had nothing to do today, so decided to come to New York and spend time catching up. Caitlin and EJ knew of this rooftop bar, and it's really nice in here. There's so much nice furniture, the vibes are nice, not too many people, the music is good, and just got one of these spicy margaritas, so we're about to try this out. Ordered like 20 tacos. Excited to spend a day in the city and yeah, take you guys with me. So I hope you guys are excited. For you guys, like, how does it feel to be the first of like your siblings to like finish school and go through your future? Like, how does that feel for you guys?
It's scary because I know my sisters look up to me a lot, and like I know how much they look up to me, and I'll hype myself up and I'm like, oh, I'm such a good like aunt to you guys. Like, I'll literally take you guys anywhere, I'll drive you guys anywhere, but literally like deep down I'm like, what the hell am I doing?
And I feel like for us, even though they don't explicitly think so, I think what they really want us to be is happy. And so the only way we can honor that is to pursue what we want to, and to make ourselves happy too, you know what I mean? Because that's what they moved here for, is to give us more opportunities. And if that's to pursue something more creative, or to pursue something that they wouldn't necessarily think is being super successful, and like that's just what we have to do.
Okay, wait. Crazy idea.
What?
But what if we just take a city bike right now? And
Right
just ride
now?
around?
Right now?
Yeah.
The life of a cameraman. I guess this day has just reminded me to not let go of that inner child. I need to remind myself, and you guys should remind yourself too, to just like not let go of that version of you 10 years ago, 5 years ago. Shouldn't forget them. I think we could grow up, and yeah, we'll go through new experiences, But that doesn't mean letting go of the ability to have fun and experience and live life to the fullest. Because then, what's the point? You know, have fun and be conscious and be aware and spend time with family and friends and live once in a while before it's too late.